Hello.
My name is Scarlett Leonard.
And I'm Jaden Leonard.
And today we are going to be showing you a bunch of objects and toys that you could be playing with on a cold day like this. So, let's begin with a book. A book? The Guinness Book of World Records, or any other book you're looking forward to reading.
But look at all these pages. I love these books. I have the 2013, 2015, and this is the 2016 book. They even have YouTube stuff in this.
Yeah, and that's pretty cool in my opinion. Well, they all be in that
YouTube.
book. Next we have a nice, not really a board game, but Telestrations. It's a hilarious
Fun drawing game. You draw and then you guess, but you
draw and
cannot.
guess. It's basically telephone, but with pictures.
Telephone with pictures, but it's a lot funnier. It's funny
Yeah.
for people that can't draw like me.
Yeah, it's pretty funny. Now, let's get in with our box of goodies. So first up, we have our puppet.
Puppets!
Like a lion.
We might be doing a puppet show. If you want it, hit that like button if you want a puppet show, and comment.
Comment.
Hey, Jaden, Scarlett, do you want to
show.
see a video? Want to see a video of a puppet show? I think that would be cool.
And yeah, in that
Pretty much just
exact
comment you want to
way.
watch.
Yeah.
Next up on our list of things that we can do, we have YouTube.
YouTube. Have a YouTube channel you haven't uploaded on a lot, like my YouTube channel, because it like really doesn't make it.
Start up a YouTube channel.
Yeah, it will be a great opportunity.
It's going to be a great opportunity for you to just get rid of spare time that you have. Like any toys that you love playing with, just record you playing with it, then
Or
post it
just
on YouTube.
vlogs. Yeah.
Just vlogs, walking around your house. The next thing on our list, which I think is pretty fun, Dragons, Playmobil, Lego.
Playmobil, Legos.
Any of those things are really fun, especially when you have friends to play with that have the same things, like maybe a dragon. You can have big battles, all those things. I'm looking at you. And
Yeah.
it's the next thing on our list.
We have
pretty
a Nerf gun.
a Nerf gun. Do you see
No,
this?
don't
thing?
shoot it. Because last time we tried recording this, he was like, pew, and he shot me in the face. Don't do that.
But look at this. It's a perfect Nerf gun, and look. No! Nerf
Oh
gun.
my god. Okay, we can play with your cat.
Play with
Dog
your
or
pig
pet.
bank.
No, you can't play with your piggy bank.
Play with your
Cat.
cat.
Our
your
cat
dog.
is currently playing with that thing
Yeah, you can probably hear
that
it.
Jay shot. She's behind the camera, literally behind it. She's the director today.
Mhm.
You could do forts.
Forts you can make. You can make pictures. You can do the same thing we're doing.
Movies. We could
Movies.
movie day.
You can have a movie day. You can have a jammy day.
Well, yeah.
She's having a jammy day right now. You could do like whatever you want. You could
Make a structure out of
Boxes.
toothpicks.
boxes.
Toothpicks.
Okay, we are going to be interviewing a snowman that's been in our freezer for a very. So if you want
Quite
to
a
see
while.
that, I did that.
Also, come down in the
Comment down in the
section below.
comment
Also,
section.
Jennifer, Aslan, and Kristen, we have your
Votes
submits in, and we'll be keeping track. Remember, Noon's creeping up on you. Okay,
We're
our
gonna do-
forecast is at around 10-ish.
Around
we're going to do
10:30, we're going to be doing an interview and to see what the snow's at, and an interview with our snowman.
who's been in our freezer. More about that later. So, you liked our commentary on these very crazy things?
And remember, guess the snow to win a free pair of gloves.
Gloves. Very nice to keep your
Hands warm.
feet warm. Yeah.
It's been very nice making this video, and we will see you later. Goodbye.
Bye.